Good afternoon, guys. So we have our first match of the weekend, and we have the result as I was predicted, not exactly, but very much on the line. I predicted that United will be leaving as a winner, and we have 3 point lead, 3 point for United, which exactly has happened. United has done it. I predicted 2-1, but now still 1-0. Something United will take it, and team will go to the sixth in the Premier League table as of now. So what has happened? What we saw, exciting match. Uh, few of mishaps. I can say both team has played their best. United again. Ronaldo was introduced in during the last after 67 minutes in the second half towards the very end. But and he himself made an impact in the game. Initially created a chance, could not convert, but still we have a match, and United is after the momentum they have set from the last week. We have a match where United score goal point and moving up towards the top side of the uh, league table where it should be. So, and an exciting match and a cheeky finish, I can say, because there was a yellow card at the very end, last minute of the game. But nevertheless, 1-0 will be the point, will be taken toward United, and it will be thanks to Bruno Fernandes who scored a goal. It was good football, I can say, good correlative match. As we said that teams, as both team shows their thing. I was expecting 100th goal for United from Southampton against Southampton, which happened. So we have to see the second leg of the league, which will be another one, a cracking one for us coming days. Match stats, we can say United has 11 shots. Southampton has more on 17. Shot on target was 6 for United, 5 for Southampton. Possession 52% to 48%. Accuracy both team at 73%, and passes. For the passes, United had 400 passes. Excellent performance as compared to 361 from Southampton. Not bad. But now we got an other matches coming up for the day very soon. But right now we can see United is doing well. They have 6 points from 4 games after losing first two and winning the two matches against Liverpool and now Southampton. It was a good game as we progress, and hopefully we can see some attacking, some cracking football from Manchester United in the coming days. So until then, I would say thank you very much for being with me, and I will be making more prediction in the coming days for the next few matches. Thank you very much, and bye bye.